let me show you how we can send files from your iPhone 17 to another iPhone or the other way around. So I'm gonna use this iPhone instead. It works pretty much the same way. So I'm gonna decide to move a photo as an example, and let's say I want to move perhaps, I don't know, like this photo over here. So now if I want to send that photo to this iPhone 17, I can press on this share button over here in the bottom left corner, and then we can use the AirDrop. And you might be able to find your device over here on this list, so then you can just simply select it and you should be able to send it. However, in other cases where the device is not detected, what you need to do is simply stick the top of these two devices together like this. There we go. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to send the photo. Well, at least in this case, it is a photo, of course. And of course, you can do the same thing with the documents, with pretty much every file. So if I choose a file, I can then use this share button over here. Once again, we can choose the AirDrop, and the rest is pretty much the same. We can face these two iPhones together. There we go. Simple as that. And it's done. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.